All right. What's your name, little boy?
Mason.
And what are you getting ready to do?
Eat garlic.
But what is that?
It's muscle.
It's a mussel, yeah. Do it over your plate so you don't drop it.
Come on, man. We need to get this thing out.
You get mussels too.
Okay. There's your seashell. All right.
All right, go.
This is Mason eating a mussel.
You like it? Oh, he likes it.
For real? Is it good? Would you like more?
Nah, that's enough for today. Wait, one more.
For real?
Yep.
Would you like to try mussel?
I'll save dessert.
Okay. Good job, Mason. I'm proud of you.
It gave me a little sound in my throat.
Did you like it though? Right on. Good for you. Way to try new foods. Love you.
Well, at least I just swallowed it.
Good job. Yes, it is. Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah, this thing's still.
Okay.
I'll meet you.